Hello students, welcome back again to our online classes from LPM Public School situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. So my dear students, this is your subject teacher of maths and today I am here with a next topic from chapter number 5 addition and subtraction up to 20 from your textbook. So my dear students, without wasting your time, take out your maths book, your notebook and your pencil box along with you while studying online classes. So students, before starting our new topic or next topic, let's have a quick overview on this chapter. So students, in this chapter we had studied how to make 10 to add, and we also practice about more additions by drawing lines and by circle to make them 10. So students, all these topics we had discussed in our previous video, and I am sure if I ask question related to this topic, you will do it or you can do it. Now let's come to our today's topic. So my dear students, our today's topic is number bonds. Today we are going to discuss about number bonds. So students, first of all we have to know about number bonds. So let's discuss about them or discuss about it. So here, introduction for this topic. What is number bonds? Number bonds are pair of numbers that make up a number. So students, number bonds are pairs of numbers. So do you know about pair? You wear a pair of shoes, pair of socks, you have a pair of eyes also, and you in winter you wear a pair of gloves in your hand. So students, number bonds are also a pairs of number that make up a number. For example, look here, number 5. So students, number bond for 5. We can divide this number into two parts. So in first part, we can write 3 and 2. So students, when we add 3 and 2, we get the total number 5. Okay. So students, 3 and 2 are the pair numbers and 3 and 2 is the number bond of 5. So I hope you understood this topic very clearly. Now let's move on to page number 62 in your textbook. If you open page number 62, here number bonds. So students, here number bond up to 8 to 18 is given here. So let's discuss about them. Look here, number bond for 8. So students, here 4 plus 4. So students, when we add 4 plus 4, we get total number 8. Similarly, in number bond of 9, there are two pairs given here, two pair of number. First 5 plus 4. So students, 5 plus 4 equals to 9 and 4 plus 5 also equals to 9. Similarly, in next number, that is 10, students, first pair is 6 plus 4. So 6 plus 4 equals to 10, 5 plus 5 equals to 10, 4 plus 6 equals to 10. Okay. Next number is 11. 7 plus 4 equals to 11, 6 plus 5 equals to 11, 5 plus 6 equals to 11 and 4 plus 7 equals to 11. Now number bond for 12. 8 plus 4 equals to 12, 7 plus 5 equals to 12, 6 plus 6 equals to 12, 5 plus 7 equals to 12, 4 plus 8 equals to 12. Now for 13, 9 plus 4 equals to 13, 8 plus 5 equals to 13, 7 plus 6 equals to 13, 6 plus 7 equals to 13, 5 plus 8 equals to 13, 4 plus 9 equals to 13. Okay. Next, for 14, 9 plus 5 equals to 14, 8 plus 6 equals to 14, 7 plus 7 equals to 14, 6 plus 8 equals to 14, 5 plus 9 equals to 14. Now for 15, 9 plus 6 equal to 15, 8 plus 7 equals to 15, 7 plus 8 equals to 15, 6 plus 9 equals to 15. Now for 16, 9 plus 7 equals to 16, 8 plus 8 equals to 16, 7 plus 9 equals to 16. Next, 17, 9 plus 8 equals to 17, 8 plus 9 equals to 17. Now the last one, that is 18. So 9 plus 9 equals to 18. So students, these are the number bonds for the number up to 18, from 8 to 18. Now let's discuss about our next topic, that is counting forward to add. So students, here you have to counting forward to add. Add 4 and 9 by counting forward. So students, now we are going to add 4 and 9 by counting forwards on the number strip. Start at 4 and count forwards by 9. So students, here number strip is given. So to add 4 and 9, first of all we have to count forwards from 4. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So students, here you have to stop. Number 13. You reach at number 13. So the answer is 13. So when we add 4 and 9, we get the sum 13. Now students, quick tip that is given here. Start with the bigger number to count forwards to add. So students, for adding, you have to start with bigger number to count forwards to add. So let's come to the question number B. Add using the number strip. So students, you have to do all these terms by using number strip like this. Okay. The first one, 4 plus 3. So students, 4 plus 3 equals to 7. Next, 5 plus 6. So students, here which number is bigger? Yes, 6. Now you have to count forward to add. So the greater or bigger number is 6. So first of all you have to draw 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So students, let's count forward. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So here answer will be 11. But students, here you have to do this with the help of strip, number strip, like this. Okay, so you have to do these sums in your notebook like shown in this question. Now your turn to study it and grasp it. Thank you students. Bye and take care.